Does your outboard have a miss at high idle when you're going through a no wake zone? I'll show you how to fix that. Keep watching. One of our viewers who is a mechanic said that Evinrude come out with a service bulletin on how to fix that miss at high idle, and what they recommended is this follower here is retard the timing to a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch past the double marks like we have done before. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to move this over, and then we're going to take it down to the water and let's see how it goes, and I'm going to show you how we did it. What you do is you clip this on your throttle linkage, and this way when you turn the throttle you can see that just a very split second that it starts to move. What we're going to do is we're going to move this cam follower. The minute this starts to turn, we're going to retard this timing a little bit, between a 1/4 and a 1/2 inch is what he said the service bulletin from Evinrude said. So let's go ahead and move that to where a little bit and see how it does. Loosen this screw up, let this cam follower go back against the timing mark there. What we're going to have to do is loosen this up on the throttle control rod so our cam follower can get all the way up there. See, this is what's holding it away, and it's hitting this stopper here. See, this is connected to our cam follower, and so it can't come up and touch it unless I loosen that up and let it have a little more slack. So let's go ahead and do that. And that'll jump forward. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put our amplifier on here. And the minute, and see I've got that about a 1/4 inch, the minute this starts to move, okay, right there, we're against it. So we're going to tighten this up right here. Okay, so now the minute, like I said, it starts to move, we're probably we're between a 1/4 and a 1/2 is what he said. So now let's go back on the other side and adjust our throttle. We're going to set this here. We got the throttle turned wide open. We're going to set this here, this adjustment. There we go. And the butterfly, you see, is horizontal right in there like it's supposed to be. Well, we had it out on the water. Everything went great. This thing ran. It never even missed, coughed, nothing. It ran perfect the whole day. And I ran it for quite a few miles, quite a few hours, and high speed, low speed, just all the different, at a low, no wake zones, and it didn't even spit or nothing. It worked great. So I think it was a combination of the new reeds and the timing adjustment. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, keep watching, stay safe on the water. Take care.